All right, what's going on, y'all? This ain't gonna be a usual nice video with all the editing and all that stuff in it, cause my editor, I guess he's got some stuff going on. He ain't editing my stuff for me no more. So for now, I'm gonna get on him about that though. We're gonna have a talk to him anyway. Y'all ever needed a smoke machine to test? For like vacuum leaks and stuff like that on a vehicle. You plug it up to a vacuum line and you get smoke comes out and all. See where your leaks are. Yeah, I needed one. I started to buy one, but them things, I know they're cheap, 50, 60, $70, whatever on Amazon, but we'll see if I can make one. My theory should be right that I should be able to do this. So this is what we're going to use. We got us a mason jar, a fish tank pump, and a soldering iron. Now my thought is, drill some holes in this lid, stick the soldering iron in there, put some 100% cotton, this is just old t-shirt rags, saturated with baby oil, because that's pretty much what your stuff is in your smoke machines, is mineral oil and stuff. But I know a friend that's got an actual smoke machine, and he puts the baby oil in it to do the smoke stuff, so that's the reason I'm using that. Anyway, put that hole in there for the soldering iron to heat the saturated oily rags up. We're gonna put the fish tank pump in there with some rubber hose coming off of it and coming out of here to push the smoke through. I don't know if this is gonna work. I don't know if this pump's gonna be big enough. I got a clue. In theory, it should work though. And I've got let's see, $10 in the fish tank pump from Walmart, $5 or $6 in the soldering iron from Walmart. So, less than $20, we're gonna make one of these because I already had the rest of the stuff. And then the high temp silicone to put around everything to seal it up. Anyway, let's get to drilling some holes and let's see what this thing's gonna do. It should work. This shouldn't take but just a few minutes to build. So we're gonna put this right in the middle, like that. Now this should fit. Yep, perfect. In there with a little force. So this being a cheaper soldering iron from Walmart, it had some Phillips screws here at the end of it. I pulled out so I wouldn't have to make the hole so big. I'm gonna stick them back in real quick. I ain't gonna put the high temp silicone on there in this little video. I'm just gonna show you how to do it. We're just gonna even see if this even works. I got me a new phone finally. Finally got me a unlimited plan. I'll be able to do these little videos pretty quick and upload them and stuff straight from the phone. Found out that any of y'all that's got this first responders, police, fire, EMS, even hospital workers, you can sign up for FirstNet through AT&T and get an unlimited plan. If you don't get a new phone, it's like $45 for unlimited hotspot and everything. So that'll work perfect. I put my dirty oily rags down there in the bottom, let them heat it up, let the soldering iron heat it up, and hopefully it'll push it up through. So now I'm gonna take this high temp silicone when it's all said and done, and I'm gonna put it around the edges here real good, and it'll hold this down and hold this here more. I mean, it ain't gonna come out now, but it'll seal this up, make it where it won't come out. That way, you can move it around and all that. So, all right, we're gonna put one more hole over here for an inlet hose or outlet hose. We're gonna put one more over here. Get these burrs off of him. So, then this hose will go down in that hole once I get the burrs off of it. The hose will go down in the hole like that, and then the other one will go in the other side. And so, anyway, we're gonna get this done. You know what? I might even take this and zip tie it to the side of it to keep it all together. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Or tape it, something. It ain't gotta be pretty, it's just gotta work. That's the thing. Burr off there. Look at that. That ain't nothing but vacuum hose, y'all, for a car. Put that on the side. Tape him on the side a little bit. We're gonna. I don't know how much hose we'll end up needing to go to the car. I guess that'll vary. That looks like that'll be plenty long enough. About anything I need to do right there, though. That little piece. Stick him like that. See, the theory is plug this up, let it get hot, and let it start smoking and all. Then you plug this up, and it'll push the smoke through the hose before push it through the car. I don't know, but we're gonna try it though before we go any further. I'm just gonna take, like I said, this ain't nothing but a sleeve out of a t-shirt that I had that I made into a rag. All that is. This ain't nothing but old baby oil. Sure, y'all got some baby oil sitting around that your women uses or whatever. Or you might use it, huh? Whatever. We're gonna get that rag in there good and saturated. Use 100% cotton rag instead of like polyester or something like that, because that'll melt to your soldering iron. This 100% cotton being saturated in this baby oil shouldn't do nothing but smoke and char. I hope. I don't know. Anyway, I need to put one more in there. Get him in there a little bit more. Get a little bit more in there. That way the tip, you just want the tip of that soldering iron in there, just that pointy part right there. You just want it touching the rag, because that's your hot part. We're going to get all this good and saturated. I don't even know if this little fish pump is going to have enough oomph to push enough smoke through the thing to do anything. I don't know. I feel like I need some more. Do we? I don't know. We'll try it. Let's see. Oh yeah. Think that'll work. Alright, I'm gonna plug it up and let the soldering iron get hot. Let it get smoky. And we'll let you see what it looks like when it starts pushing the turn the air pump and all that on. So give me just a minute. Alright, check it out. Good and smoky now. So now I had to go ahead and put the silicone on the top because it was smoke was running out. Now let's see what happens when we plug the pump up. Look, you see it's pushing the silicone out pushing out smoke out around the silicone. We turn the pump on. I'd let that silicone dry, pushing all my smoke out through the around the silicone and around the end of that soldering iron. All right, let me give this a little while to dry, set up. We'll see what it does then. All right, so I ended up having to put some silicone up there around the top, and it still ain't fully cured yet. But it should, since it ain't pushing out that top now, it should push it out this hose right here. This is all we want to do. Look at there. Look at there. That's all you need. For what that'll do. Sorry, I got silicone on my finger. I know that looked like nasty, but so now what you do, take this, stick it on a vacuum hose, or stick it down the throttle body, or whatever, and the smoke will push out all of your vacuum leaks that you got. If you can't find them with can't find them with brake clean, you know, the old brake clean trick. So that'll fill it up. You better just follow the smoke, and guess what? There's your leaks. Not bad for 15, 16 bucks, less than $20. I think that'll work though. Anyway, I'm gonna let this dry a little longer and put this on the side of it, and that's that. I think that'll work. Hope that helps y'all out, and y'all able to use my little trick here and fix your car. Y'all have a good one.